In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart in Word. By the end, you'll be able to map a process clearly using built-in tools you already have, and keep everything neat, readable, and easy to update. Start by opening a new document so you have a clean workspace. For better precision, go to the View tab and turn on grid lines. This gives you a subtle guide that helps keep shapes aligned without guesswork. You can also zoom in a bit if you prefer more control while placing elements. Head to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and scroll to the Flowchart section. Begin with a Terminator shape for start and end. Click and drag to draw it on the page. Add a process rectangle for each action, and a decision diamond for any yes or no branching points. To add text, just click the shape and start typing. Keep labels short and action-oriented so the chart stays scannable. Next, connect your shapes so the flow is unmistakable. Go back to Shapes and select a connector line, like a right angle or elbow arrow. Hover near the edge of a shape until you see connection points. Then click and drag to the next shape. Using connectors that snap to these points ensures your lines move intelligently if you later reposition shapes. Use arrowheads to make direction obvious, and avoid diagonal lines when possible, as right angles are easier to follow. Once everything is connected, apply consistent styling. With a shape selected, use Shape Format to adjust fill, outline, and effects. Choose a single color for processes, a contrasting color for decisions, and maybe a lighter shade for start and end. Keep outlines thin and readable. Set a consistent font and size across all shapes for a professional look. If shapes vary in size, right-click and use Size and Position, or use the handles while holding Shift to resize evenly. To tidy the layout, select multiple shapes by holding Shift. Then use Align and Distribute to line them up perfectly and space them evenly. This step dramatically improves clarity. If lines overlap, reroute a connector or insert a short extra connector segment to reduce crossings. If you need labels on connectors, insert a small text box and place it near the line, keeping it concise. Then, select related elements and group them so they stay together when you move sections around. Finally, proof the flow by tracing it from start to finish. Look for missing steps, unclear branches, or dead ends. Save your document and, if you'll reuse the style, save a copy as a template. That's it. Your Word flowchart is clean, consistent, and ready to share.